This is the National Radio Local News in English, broadcasting every weekday at 1 p.m. and 7 p.m. on the frequencies of AM radio 918 kHz and FM Wat Phnom Radio 105.7 MHz in Phnom Penh, capital city of the Kingdom of Cambodia. First, here are the new headlines.
Cambodian Prime Minister provides additional 300 million reals to U Dom Min Chey and Pai Lân to facilitate the work of workers from Thailand. Sweden to continue supporting Cambodia with Schools of Governance project. And Cambodia, Hungary vow to deepen bilateral cooperation as trade volume exceeds $4 million by 2020.
Samdech Techo Hun Sen, Prime Minister of Cambodia, on January 26, 2021, decided to provide an additional 300 million reals to U Dom Min Chey and Pai Lân provinces to facilitate the work of workers from Thailand, according to Her Excellency Mrs. Yu Sambat, Secretary of State of the Ministry of Health. Her Excellency Mrs. Yu Sambat added that U Dom Min Chey Province received 200 million reals and Pai Lân Province 100 million reals. These funds were immediately transferred to the two provincial administrations by the Ministry of Health. Since Thailand has reported an outbreak of COVID-19 in the community in Samut Sakhon province and spread to some border provinces, Cambodia has found a number of workers infected with COVID-19 after returning from Thailand. In response to this situation, Samdech Akya Mohasena Padai Techo Hun Sen, the Prime Minister of Cambodia, has provided financial assistance to the 7 provinces bordering Thailand to prepare for the quarantine of workers returning from Thailand.
Sweden will continue to assist the enhancement of public services in Cambodia together with their partner, Transparency International Cambodia, the embassy announced last week. A ceremony to mark the signing of the extension of a memorandum of understanding between the Ministry of Interior and Transparency International Cambodia was held in Phnom Penh. The memorandum of understanding extension provides a framework for both the Ministry and Transparency International Cambodia to implement a joint project on School of Governance Phase 2, 2021 to 2025. The extension is an outcome of the successful implementation of the joint project on School of Governance Phase 1, 2016 to 2020. Phase 1 of the project aimed at supporting the government in its efforts to strengthen the capacity of its institutions and agencies at both national and subnational levels on good governance, accountability, integrity, and anti-corruption that in turn led to more transparent and accountable public service deliveries. His Excellency Nghi Chan Pal, Secretary of State of the Ministry of Interior, said that strengthening public services at both national and subnational levels, especially through OWSU and OWSO, is an important campaign to increase effectiveness of public service provision to our citizens. The Ministry of Interior and Transparency International Cambodia also handed over certificates to the key trained officials who completed a series of training programs and fulfilled all training requirements. These officials are resource persons who are key to the building of a new generation of public officials committed to the principles of good governance, accountability, integrity, and anti-corruption.
The first meeting of the Joint Commission of Cambodia-Hungary Economic Cooperation was held for 2 days on January 20 to 21, 2021 via video at the Ministry of Commerce. The result is fruitful with a high sense of responsibility. The meeting was co-chaired by Her Excellency Mrs. Tak Ret Komrong, Secretary of State of the Ministry of Commerce of Cambodia, and Mr. Iswan Jo, Deputy Minister of Foreign Affairs and Trade of Hungary, attended by relevant ministries and institutions. The meeting was held to monitor the working progress of documents to promote economic cooperation activities and other priority areas signed by the Minister of Commerce, His Excellency Pan Sosa, and the Minister of Foreign Affairs and Trade of Hungary, His Excellency Peter Szijjártó, on June 13, 2019. During the official visit of Samdech Akhya Mohasenapadai Hun Sen, Prime Minister of Cambodia to Budapest, Hungary. As a result, the working group of the Cambodia-Hungary Joint Commission noted the progress of cooperation in all fields through regular exchanges of visits, consultations, and continued its commitment to further deepen and expand bilateral cooperation. For the trade and economy, both sides expressed strong willingness to implement the agreement on the promotion and the protection of investment between the Royal Government of Cambodia and the Government of Hungary, which entered into force in August 2017 and welcomed the participation of the Hungarian Investment Promotion Agency to facilitate and draw Hungarian investors to Cambodia, as well as to learn more about Cambodia's potential products, including agriculture, agro-industry, and processing industries that can be exported to the Hungarian market. The two sides discussed the feasibility of using the Tied Aid Credit Cooperation Project for the 100 Decho Villages Development Project and a detailed study by the Ministry of Economy and Finance on the feasibility of using the loan for cooperation in Cambodia's priority areas such as agriculture, food safety, irrigation management systems, digital technology, and innovation. Her Excellency Mrs. Tak Ret Komrong emphasized that after the meeting, especially the visit of the leaders, the two countries will help boost the economy and trade volume between the two countries will increase. The Cambodia has also encouraged Hungary to invest in agriculture and industry. From 2017 to 2020, the bilateral trade volume between Cambodia and Hungary reached a total of more than $16 million. As of 2020, Cambodia-Hungary trade volume totals more than $4 million.
This is the National Radio Local News in English, broadcasting every weekday at 1 p.m. and 7 p.m. on the frequency of AM Radio 918 kHz and FM Wat Phnom Radio 105.70 MHz in Phnom Penh, capital city of the Kingdom of Cambodia. Our English transmission now comes to a close, and please stay tuned our French transmission in the next program. And thank you for your listening, and goodbye.